New Pride Month products to celebrate love and diversity. Welcome everyone. Today, we at Cat's Paw Creative Designs are thrilled to introduce our brand new Pride Month products, which are all about embracing love and diversity. First up, we have a stylish beanie that not only keeps you cozy, but also lets you show off your pride in a subtle yet fashionable way. These new products are not just about style, they are about empowerment and spreading love in all its beautiful forms. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to express your pride and love this month and beyond. Make sure to visit us at catsbcd.com for these new products and so much more. And have a great day!